And today we are doing the second look using the After Charge. I got glue on it. No! Okay. Using the After Charge palettes with guest appearance of the After Dark, because I decided I was going to do a look that is more realistic, because let's face it, who wears all shimmers? Not a whole lot of people. So yeah, I'm feeling very spring-like in this beautiful look. So if you want to see how I created this look, and yeah, if you just want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so we're doing the second look in using After Charge in my Bad Habit After series. Since I didn't see any comments whether or not to use another palette with this to create more of a more realistic look, I have made the executive decision that I am going to pair this with another palette or two. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out the look I want to create, but I am going to make sure that the palette I pair it with is in the After series as well. So I'm thinking I may just use After Dark. It's got lots of mattes in there. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so I've already prepped my eyes. I feel like I need to move again. Always feeling, I wish I had a chair with wheels, like a computer chair or something. That would be nice. I've been wanting one for a while, just haven't had the money to really purchase one. Been getting other stuff. Okay, anyways, that's a whole other subject. Let's stay on task here. So, my face feels dry today. I'm getting off topic again. So yeah, so we're gonna start in the After Dark palette, and we're gonna use Skin to Skin as our transition shade. So we will be starting there. I am so like all over the place today. Anyways, okay, we'll pop this on the eyes, shall we? By the way, so Shop Hush is, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they are getting rid of Shop Hush or just selling everything they have and maybe starting over with new inventory or something, but you can still go to badhabitbeauty.com, I believe, and find these palettes there. They are a little more expensive there because, yeah, Shop Hush was just trying to get rid of stuff, but they're still there. They're not like super expensive. They're just more expensive than they were on the Shop Hush app. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Rosy Glow. Sorry if I'm blinding you. Rosy Glow color. And we're going to use that as a crease shade. So if you haven't yet purchased these palettes and you're still interested in purchasing these, you can get them on their website. Just so you know. Okay. So I'm gonna go into the After Charge palette, and I can't decide. In the middle, about the middle. Nah. I'm gonna pop in, what is this, Rally, this nice pretty teal color. And I'm gonna use my finger because that is the best way I have found, other than wetting a brush, to use these. Just gonna pop that in the middle. And yeah, I'm just kind of use my finger to blend. Doop-doo. Okay, now I'm going to take this color New Life, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner in both eyes, and I stabbed it with my nail. Cool. Love it when that happens. Just joking, I don't love that. Yes. I like that. It's got kind of like a greenish blue shift to it, so that's why I thought it would pair well with that teal. Sure, why not? So the outer part, I'm gonna go in with Stardust, this beautiful blue. We're gonna put that, wow, is that blue? Kind of looks like it has a purple shift. Ooh, interesting. Let's see what happens when we put it on the eye. Oh, yeah, it's blue. So pretty though. Wow. Oh yes. Maybe a little more poppin' than that teal. I might have to go back in and make that teal a little more poppin'. That is a pretty color. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the teal color, the Rally. Tap that on there a little more. Get that a little more noticeable. I'm gonna take that brush that we used for the transition shade. I'm just gonna kind of buff it through here just to soften that a little. It's looking a little too there. Just want to soften it. I want most of the attention to be on the lid colors, not the crease colors or any of that, so I'm just gonna soften it. Debating what I want to do with the outer corner. I think just to add a little bit of depth, I'm going to take the color Arousal and just put it in the outer V. I think I'm going to use a pencil brush and put that in the outer V, and then possibly a fluffy brush to soften it if it's too intense. I'm going to take that transition shade a little bit on that brush. And oh, that just blended super good. Wow, okay, that's amazing. Awesome. That skin to skin is a really good, like, nude color to blend out. To soften other colors. You know what I mean? All right, awesome. I like that. Okay, I need to go back into the blue a little bit. Kind of disappear. Well, it didn't really disappear. I just want it to be a little more noticeable since we put that brown there, covered a little bit of it up. But, okay. I'm debating. I think I'm gonna take a flat, I'm gonna take this flat brush. I'm running out of this. I'm gonna wet it. And I'm gonna go into that New Life, which is the inner corner color. Bring some new life to it on the lid. Ha ha ha, Jackie, you're so clever. I don't know why, I just feel like it needs to be more there. Doesn't seem there enough. Okay, I'm just going with a dry finger over top of that. That's better. I like it. Now I'm going to go into that transition brush. Put some liner on, E.L.F. liquid liner. I got some real problems, my friends. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on lashes. Knock everything over. Oh, I'm gonna pop on lashes, fix my face, and we'll be back for the bottom lash line as usual. See you in a second. Okay, now let's finish this look with doing the bottom lash line. What do we want to do? I want to continue those beautiful colors. Let me see here. I'm gonna wipe off this brush. Okay, so on the inner corner, I'm gonna use the New Life, just like on the top. Just gonna put it on the tippy of the brush. Wipe that off, go into Rally. Put that right next to it in the middle. On the tip. Wipe that off. Go into Stardust, that beautiful blue. And put that on the outer portion. Alright, I'm going to use the Brow Lift highlighting pencil for the waterline because I want to keep it nice and bright. Yes, okay, E.L.F. mascara. So that is the finished look. What do you think? If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I actually love it. I think it is so pretty. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to become part of the hashtag and notification nation. and be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did. And, yeah. I hope you'll come back for more videos. Because the next palette we are doing for the After series is Afterglow, which looks like this. Lots of orangey colors, so that ought to be fun. We know how good I can pull off an orange. Not so good. So, yeah, that'll be starting next Tuesday. So, make sure you come back and watch it. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!